Hey everybody, I'm Jamie Tait from Tait Real Estate. Welcome to Thursday. Today we're making the Pimms Cup.
The Pimms Cup is made from Pimms, which is a Gin Based Liquer, and it's a drink that's served in the summertime, spring in Britain. And all you do is put in the Pimms at the bottom. Whoops, that's a little heavy, but that's okay. And then some lemonade. And of course we have some Garnish yet, and some ginger ale. And you can garnish with cucumber or lime or fruit or whatever you got lots of. There you go.
Lots of fruit.
All right, let's try this.
Perfect. Cheers. Refreshing.